CNC machining is a versatile and cost-effective manufacturing process. This process is compatible with a huge range of materials. CNC machining helps across a diverse array of industries for a variety of applications. Manufacturers and machinists use this process in various ways. This includes direct manufacturing process, indirect manufacturing process, or in conjunction with other processes. The applications of CNC machines are not tied to any single sector. People use it virtually everywhere. It helps to create everything from aircraft parts to surgical tools. We can therefore characterize the application of CNC machining in different industries. CNCs are used in aerospace, automotive, consumer electronic, defense, healthcare, oil and gas, and many industries. Let's see some of its application. First is the aerospace industry. The aerospace industry has a long shared history with CNC machining. The machining of metal aircraft components occurs at the highest level of precision. This is highly essential for safety critical applications. Also, the range of engineering metals compatible with CNC provide aerospace engineers with plenty of options. The applications of CNC machining in the aerospace industry are wide and reliable. Some of the machinable aerospace components include engine mounts, fuel flow components, landing gear components, and fuel access panels. The next industry is the automotive industry. The automotive industry regularly enjoys the uses of CNC milling machine for both prototyping and production. Extruded metal can be machined into cylindrical blocks, gearboxes, valves, axles, and various other components. On the other hand, CNC machines manufactures plastics into components like dashboard panels and gas gauges. CNC machining in the automotive industry is also helpful for creating one-off custom parts. The creation of various replacement parts is also possible with CNC. This is because the turnaround times are fast and there is no minimum required part quantity. The next industry is the consumer electronics. CNC machining also helps in the prototyping and production of consumer electronics. These electronics include laptops, smartphones, and many others. The chassis of an Apple MacBook, for example, is CNC machined from extruded aluminum and then anodized. In the electronics industry, CNC machining helps to create PCBs, housings, jigs, fixtures, and many other components. The next industry is the defense industry. The military sector frequently turns to CNC machining for the prototyping of rugged and reliable parts. The intention of the machining is to allow the parts to withstand wear and tear with minimal upkeep. Many of these parts overlap with other industries such as aerospace and electronics. The ability of CNC machines to provide on-demand replacement parts and upgraded components are particularly useful in this particular industry. Therefore, it works well for parts that demand constant innovation and security. The next sector or industry is the healthcare. CNC machining can be used on various medically safe materials. Since the process is suited to one-off custom parts, it has many applications in the medical industry. The tight tolerances afforded by CNC machining are essential to the high performance of machined medical components. CNC machinable medical parts include surgical instruments, electronic enclosures, orthotics, and implants. The next industry is the oil and gas industry. This is yet another industry that requires tight tolerances just like healthcare. This sector leverages the uses of CNC milling machine for precise, reliable parts such as piston, cylinders, rods, pins, and valves. These parts are often used in pipeline or refineries. They may be required in smaller quantities to fit specific quantities. The oil and gas industry often require corrosion-resistant machinable metals like aluminum 5052, which can be only machined using a CNC machine.